Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your payment method on YouTube TV. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube TV app on your device or go to tv.youtube.com on your browser. Make sure you're signed into the account associated with your subscription. Then, click on your profile in the top right corner, then select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Billing tab. Click it and you'll see your current payment method and subscription details. Then, click on Update or Manage Payment Method. This will redirect you to your Google Payment Center. From there, you can add a new card, remove old cards, or set a different card as the default payment method. In the same area, you can click View, then Next to any charge to see full billing details and history. This helps you track how much you're paying, especially if you're added premium channels or add-ons. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.